In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the features that make up the product FITPRINT360. In the core software, we have the ability to make very complex extrinsic posting, something you might not want to mill, but you can certainly print. It allows you to take weight out, it allows you to create shaped distal edges, it even allows you to create any type of posting shape you want. So for example here a tri-post, you could use that in its current form or you could adapt it. So 3D printing gives you choice, it gives you the ability to think differently about how you make things. And within reason you can make almost anything you like. The most important thing is you don't make decisions that are going to make the device weaker. So you could use a pad that you would use clinically, and instead of using it on the top surface, use it on the bottom as support. You could even use your own custom shapes that we can develop for you that you can wrap onto the surface. These are things you might not mill but are certainly good for printing. Also here, we can take weight out. We can use features to punch holes through the device that will take weight out, but be careful, that can affect the quality of the product. But most importantly, at the end, we have a clinical device. It has a clinical anti-surface, but has been developed, engineered for 3D printing. Finally, before we export, we can add embossed text into the design. And this is what you'll get when you export using the FITPRINT360 solid STL function.